In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can do triangular crypto arbitrage, and of course we're going to do a live trade whereby I'm going to show you how exactly you can make passive income every day by simply doing triangular crypto arbitrage. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can connect your API keys and secret keys from an exchange so that you can automate the whole process, and the scanner is going to pretty much do the whole process and you don't need to do anything. So without further ado, let's get right into it. But before we start, I just want to give a shout out to our sponsor, which is Get.io. And you already know that the aim of this channel is to maximize our profit. That's why we always find different ways to make money with cryptocurrency and stuff like that. So currently there is an event going on Get.io. All you have to do is to get some Ola token and make a deposit to Get.io. You can pretty much like trade and stuff like that with Ola, and you're gonna stand a chance to win at least 20,000 worth of USDT and stuff like that. And other than that, you can take that USDT and stake it right here on Get.io, and you're gonna be able to get rewards on Ola tokens and stuff like that. So this is actually a good deal because you're pretty much staking your USDT to get some Ola tokens and stuff like that on top of your USDT. So this is the link to this promotion is gonna be in the description below. As well, all you have to do is to get some Ola tokens and make deposit to Get.io, and you can also pretty much stake your USDT to earn rewards in Ola tokens. So let's get back to our video. So if this is your first time, make sure you watch this video right here whereby I explained everything about this scanner and triangular crypto arbitrage in detail, and it's written triangular crypto arbitrage live and stuff like that. So make sure you watch this video right here, and let's get back to our business. So you already know that the first thing to do is to identify your markets. What markets do you want to trade? So in this case, we're just gonna use USDT because USDT is big and it has a lot of pairs. So you're just gonna type right here USDT like this, and right here you have to put the amount that you want to trade with. So I recommend that you have to trade with at least 50 USD going upwards, and minimum should be at least 30 USD. So let's assume that we want to trade with 100 USD again, and right here we want to see the top 10 triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available on Bybit crypto exchange. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna type right here top 10 like this, or we can actually put like top 6 triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available on Bybit. Okay, and these are the settings that you have to apply when you want to automate the whole process so that the scanner can trade for you and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you how exactly you can put all these settings later at the end of this video, but for now let's do a manual trade. So of course you have to make sure that you disable the auto trade. All right, so if you want to automate the whole process, you have to enable this option, but if you don't want to automate the whole process, you have to disable it like this. All right, so you're just gonna go ahead and hit apply, and the scanner is gonna pretty much configure all the settings and stuff like that. So we should get all the opportunities within 10 seconds and doesn't take time. Perfect. So now you can see that we have got these opportunities, and first opportunity is CAD to USDT, and you can see that it has at least 5.6%. So I guess I'm just going to take this opportunity because it has biggest percentage right here. So you already know the rules that you have to do this as soon as possible, and you have got at least 5 minutes to take advantage of this triangular arbitrage opportunity before it disappears and stuff like that. So I'm just going to jump into my phone and take advantage of this opportunity and see how much money we're going to make. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can connect your API keys and secret key from your Bybit exchange. So let's dive into my phone. All right guys, so right now we're in my phone, and you can see that I've got at least 100 USD right here that I'm willing to trade with. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity that we found, and is CAD to USDT, then swap to USDC, and you have to do this within 5 minutes. So we're just gonna go ahead and buy some CAD right here, type right here CAD like this, and we have to choose this pair. Oh wow, it has actually pumped like 4,700%. That's why we got this opportunity. So we're just gonna click like this, and we're gonna spend the whole amount like this, right? And let's use market order because we want this order to be filled immediately. So we're just gonna click 100% and buy cards like this, and it says you have to swap this card to USDC. All right, so we're just gonna search right here, CAT to USDC. Oh, it's already here, CAT to USDC, and we're gonna have to sell this CAT to USDC right here. All right, sell and click 100% like this, and I'm using a market order. We can also use a limit order. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and click 100% and click sell like this, and boom. And then we're just gonna go ahead and check our address, and boom, yeah. Now you can see that we end up making at least 5.1 USDC because we started with at least 100 USDT, and right now we ended up making at least 5.1 USDC. So this is how exactly Changra Crypto Arbitrage is done. You can also check it right here. All right, so now you can see that we've got at least 105.1 USDC in our wallet, exactly as predicted on the scanner that we're gonna make at least 5.6% on the arbitrage opportunity and stuff like that. So this is how exactly Changra Crypto Arbitrage is done. And then now I'm just gonna jump right into it and show you how exactly you can connect to Bybit exchange and pretty much automate the whole process and stuff like that. So let's dive right into it. And guys, before I show you how exactly you can connect this scanner to your crypto exchange, I also want to show you how exactly you can get it. So you go to heavycryptouniversity.online right here. So you scroll down and find this scanner right here under trading tools and indicators, and it's called Triangular Crypto Arbitrage Scanner right here. And right now it's on a discount of at least 30% and stuff like that. And if you want to take your trading career to another level, then I recommend you guys to try out Web.3 Masterclass, because this course covers pretty much anything about crypto. And if you're a beginner, make sure you check out Crypto for Beginners right here, and it's gonna pretty much teach you anything about Bitcoin and fundamental of Bitcoin and stuff like that. And if you're a developer, make sure you check out smart contract development course, and this course is going to pretty much teach you about smart contracts and stuff like that. So if you want to book me for one-on-one mentorship, whereby I'm going to pretty much teach you anything about crypto from scratch to the end, make sure you check out one-on-one mentorship program right here, and I personally will teach you and train you on daily basis for 1 week and stuff like that. So let's dive right into Bybit. So alright guys, so right here on Bybit, as you can see, and I'm going to show you how exactly you can connect Changra Crypto Arbitrage Scanner to your Bybit crypto scanner so that it can trade automatically without you doing anything and stuff like that. Whenever it finds an opportunity, you can configure all the settings so that it can trade for you. So basically what I want to do is you want to go to settings and go to API management right here. All right, so you can see a page that look like this, and after here you're just gonna go ahead and click this button where it's written create new key right here. All right, skip this because this is for, yeah. So you're gonna see a tab that look like this. So it says system generated API keys or self-generated API keys. So you're just gonna go ahead and click system generated API keys like this, and guys, don't expose these API keys to anyone, know what I mean? So right here you have to choose the usage of this API keys. So you're gonna say connect to third-party application right here. All right, and right here you have to choose an app. So you're just gonna click and volume LTD like this, and right here you're gonna have to give it permission, whether it has to read and write or read only. So this scanner is meant to trade for us, so we're just gonna go ahead and tick where it's written read and write right here, and do not give it a permission to access right here. You should leave it untick. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and submit like this. All right guys, so as you can see right here, API keys and stuff like that has been created, so you don't need to expose this kind of information. You're just gonna have to copy it like this. All right, click copy and go to the scanner and then paste the API key right here. All right, and also go back to Bybit and then copy a secret key right here. This is a secret key like this, and paste it right here. All right, and then right here you're just gonna have to put 1 because you want to have 1 trade at a time, and right here also tick 1, and right here we only want to take arbitrage opportunities that are above at least 4%. You know what I mean? So once you do all this stuff, you're just gonna go ahead and click enable and click apply. You know what I mean? So it's gonna pretty much do the rest of the job. So make sure you stick to this channel and stuff like that, and I'll show you how exactly you can also make passive income with automated trading and stuff like that. And guys, if you want to get the scanner, the link is also going to be in the description below as well, or you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online and you can get it right here. It's called Triangular Crypto Arbitrage Scanner right here. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, as you're really helping the channel. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.